Hi there, welcome to our channel. And if you want to know the camera maximum zoom on Samsung Galaxy S25 and S25 Ultra, then here's a practical answer for you. You can go to the camera, and right now I can show you any object, or I can target any object on my Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, but you can see my camera is currently working properly. Here it is. Now I'm going to place here, and let me show you the maximum zoom. From here I'm going to span the skin, and here you'll find the zoom section here, and here you will find some value like 0 0.6 1 2 3 5 10 30. Like here, let me show you 30 and the 100. So there is actually 100x zoom on the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. I have actually Samsung S25 Ultra right now. From here you can see this is my Samsung S25 Ultra, but the settings, the zoom faculty is pretty much same on the both device, on the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra and S25. The both device have 100x zoom available on the camera mode, and if you find in video mode, you can get highest 20x zoom on your video mode on your Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra and Samsung Galaxy S25. So hope you got the answer. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel and click on the bell icon, and we will get back to you soon with another informative video. Thanks for watching. Till next time.